Hi, welcome back to Smart Mom. This is July's 2013 Mommy Time Out online video. Unfortunately, after 2 years of success, this has not been a very good day for Dustin as far as watching the videos of the fireworks in advance to prep him, or to actually get out there in my vehicle like we've done in the past couple of years to watch the videos. So we're not going to push Dustin this year. I mean, it's just maybe not a good time for him. We have had a lot of rain, and rain doesn't settle too well with him, especially when he thinks that thunder is always present when there's rain. So a lot of the other things are contributing to him not wanting to go and view the fireworks this year. And I've tried getting him to go out, even as far as saying, Dustin, are you ready? You ready to go see fireworks?
No!
Ready?
No! No!
Well, obviously, if we're getting this kind of behavior, we certainly don't want to try to push him. So, for the most part, I think
Why
I got
not?
when he said, or not. I think that was my cue. When I said ready and he says, or not, well, then obviously he's not ready. So, we're going to tape a little bit of the fireworks that we've done this year, just for some of my smart moms out there that don't get that opportunity because of our little guys here, or big guys. So I did get a little bit of video in spite of our weather, so I hope you enjoyed the little bit that I did get. Hopefully next year we'll have Dustin present like we have, and we'll have a better 4th of July. This year wasn't such a good one, but that's all right. Everybody's, entitled to not have their good days, and this was ours. So we're going to try this next year, and hopefully you'll be around to enjoy it as well. So stay tuned for the video for the fireworks. I hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you next year.
Yeah, that's it.
And please come back and see me next month. I do have a special treat for you. Have a great one. Take care. Well, it would have been nice if Dustin could have come out here and joined us, but I'm not going to make him come out here. He's done 2 years with it. Well, yeah, and the rain and that didn't really help this evening, but that's okay. There's always next year.